In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Quick disclaimer before we start. To set up face recognition, you need to have screen lock first, or your Samsung device just won't allow you to add face data. So make sure your screen lock is on. As you can see, I have pattern, so now I can go into devices settings. Scroll down to click on security and privacy and tap on lock screen. Now enter your current login method and tap on face recognition. Then you can read all of those instructions and disclaimers by scrolling down or even tapping on learn more over here. And when you're done, hit continue. Then read all of those and tap on register. Keep your face in frame, follow all of the instructions from your screen and wait for 100% mark. Then you can manage all of those options however you want to. Just make sure that this switcher next to face unlock is on for this feature to work. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on. Icons that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!